to CypherNet EduVerse, where your IT career is built with real skills, real guidance, and real outcomes. At CypherNet, we follow one simple mission: lead, build, innovate. At CypherNet EduVerse, we focus on one clear objective: transforming students into job-ready professionals through structured, practical, and industry-relevant training. We offer high-demand programs like Java Full Stack, Python Full Stack, Data Science, Data Analyst, Cybersecurity, Cloud Computing, and GenAI, all designed focused on current industry needs, not outdated theory. One of the strongest advantages we provide is another key factor that sets CypherNet EduVerse apart is our trainers. All our trainers are working professionals with more than 10 years of industry experience. They don't just teach concepts, they bring real world insight, practical scenarios, and actual industry workflows into the classroom so students understand how things actually work inside companies. This ensures that learning is always aligned with real job requirements, not just theoretical knowledge. When it comes to training, we go beyond traditional methods. Students at CypherNet activity works on real-time projects where they build live applications, perform testing, solve real errors, and understand system functionality in a parallel environment. Along with this, we also support students in successfully completing their major and minor academic projects by providing hands-on guidance and practical implementation support. In addition to this, we provide a 6-month internship experience certificate, which adds significant value to your profile and helps you stand out in job applications. We also focus heavily on job applications. Our placement support system includes professional resume building sessions and 3 dedicated mock interviews designed to simulate real hiring processes. This ensures that students are not only technically skilled but also confident and prepared to face actual interviews. Our placement support is structured and continuous, where we guide students towards relevant job opportunities based on their skill set and domain. The results clearly reflect our approach. In the last year alone, we successfully placed more than 300 students, and many of them are now working in reputed companies with strong salary packages. This is possible because our system focuses on the complete journey, from learning and practical exposure to certification and placement readiness. At CypherNet EduVerse, you're not just enrolling in a course, you're entering a complete ecosystem that combines government certification curriculum, experienced trainers, real-time office work, internship exposure, and structured placement support. Everything is designed to help you build a strong and sustainable career in the IT industry, helping you truly lead, build, or innovate. If you are ready to start your IT career with the right training, certification, and career support, apply now or send us a message to get complete details. Limited seats available for the upcoming batch.